We just got a huge delivery of trees, plants, and flowers for our backyard renovation, and it's time to get everything in place so we can start planting. We have already made so much progress on this renovation, but one thing I'm the most excited about is adding privacy hedges along this fence line. In total, we have 36 trees. 32 of them are 15-gallon trees that will continue to grow to create privacy, and the other 6 trees are pretty big. They're 24-inch to create immediate privacy when we plant them. I had to transport all of these trees from the front yard to the backyard and place them exactly where I wanted them.
One eternity later.
It took forever to get everything in place because they were so heavy, but thankfully we had this weed barrier installed on top of the garden bed already, so it made rolling things a lot easier. We also got 48 shrubs and flowers to get planted along the deck, so I'm also getting those placed and arranging them the way I want to plant them. You can also see a sneak peek of the finished barbecue in this clip, so stay tuned for that update as well. I'm getting so excited for the next step, which is to get all of this planted. It's going to be a lot of work, but will be worth it in the end. In the meantime, I'm going to be giving our new friends lots of water until we can get them planted. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and follow for the next part and for more DIYs and home renovation.